Don't rush to buy a chemical cockroach spray. Try using flour and ginger to completely eliminate cockroaches from your home. Hi everyone, this is Tracy. Cockroaches often appear in the kitchen and in dark corners, even when the house is clean. This really bothers me. So today, let's start a battle to eliminate them using just 2 weapons made from flour and ginger. You will learn 2 ways to get rid of cockroaches using these ingredients. I guarantee the cockroaches won't dare come near your home again. Let's get started. First, let's look at the method using flour. This is a very familiar ingredient in most kitchens. You just need to take about 2 tablespoons of wheat flour and place it in a small bowl. The flour will act as bait to attract cockroaches. Next, add 1 heaping tablespoon of baking powder, the kind commonly used for baking cakes. Is anyone watching up to this point feeling like they are watching a baking recipe instead? Don't scroll away just yet, because the baking powder here will help produce carbon dioxide gas when it reacts with the acid and moisture inside the cockroach's body. When their digestive system cannot handle this gas, their bodies will swell, and eventually they will die. Next is a special ingredient that helps make this weapon more effective, and that is cement powder. You only need to add 1 small spoonful of cement powder into the bowl. Then use a spoon to mix all the ingredients together. Stir slowly until the flour, baking powder, and cement are evenly combined. The reason for adding cement is that when cockroaches eat this mixture and it comes into contact with the moisture inside their bodies, the cement can begin to harden. This makes it very difficult for them to digest, which helps prevent them from surviving. After the mixture is well combined, divide it into small portions and place them on small pieces of aluminum foil trays, small plates, or pieces of paper. Then place these portions in different areas around the house where you often see cockroaches or where they may hide. You can leave these small portions in the corners of the house, inside kitchen cabinets, under tables, under chairs, or around the kitchen counter area where cockroaches often appear. These are common places where cockroaches usually hide during the day and crawl out at night to look for food. You can also use this mixture in the corners of the yard or garden to deal with rats because they tend to eat almost anything they find while searching for food. One thing you need to keep in mind is to place this mixture in hidden areas to avoid attracting the attention of dogs, cats, or your household pets. This method is really very effective. Since I started applying it, the number of cockroaches in my house has decreased significantly. Besides using the mixture made from flour, you can also apply another method using a natural ingredient, which is ginger. Ginger is not only a familiar spice used to season dishes, but it also has properties that help repel and eliminate cockroaches. With this method, you only need to prepare 1 fresh ginger root and rinse it under running water to remove dirt from the surface. Next, use a knife to slice the ginger into thin pieces. After slicing, you can gently crush the ginger slices with the back of the knife. This step helps break down the structure of the ginger. Then, continue by chopping the ginger into small pieces so that more natural juice is released. Ginger contains natural pungent compounds and essential oils. When the ginger is sliced, crushed, and chopped, these strong substances are released more easily. The stronger the aroma becomes, the more useful it is in repelling insects like cockroaches. Next, put all the chopped ginger into a clean bowl. Then add about 3 to 5 milliliters of dishwashing liquid. This small amount is enough to help the mixture work effectively. Dishwashing liquid contains surfactant ingredients that can break down the protective oil layer on the surface of a cockroach's body, causing them to begin losing moisture quickly, weakening them, and eventually leading to paralysis. After that, pour in some hot water. The warm temperature helps release the pungent compounds and essential oils from the ginger more easily. Use a spoon to stir the mixture well so everything blends together. Next, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or a lid and soak the solution for about 20 minutes. During this time, the mixture will fully develop its effect, and the pungent compounds from the ginger will slowly release into the water. These natural substances will blend with the dishwashing liquid, creating a stronger mixture. After 20 minutes, strain the liquid to remove the pieces of ginger. Then pour the solution into a spray bottle. Now spray it in areas where cockroaches often hide. Focus on places such as kitchen corners, gaps between items, kitchen countertops, work surfaces, table legs, and trash cans. These places are often dark, damp, and warm, and they contain food sources, making them ideal hiding spots for cockroaches. After the solution is sprayed in these areas, it begins to work whenever cockroaches come to hide or pass through. The pungent compounds in ginger and the strong smell of the dishwashing liquid can irritate and affect the cockroach's nervous system. This makes the environment uncomfortable for them and weakens their ability to move normally, even causing paralysis. Over time, the number of cockroaches in the house will decrease significantly when you spray it daily. I really like this method because every time I spray it in my house, there is always a light ginger aroma in the air that makes everything feel warm and pleasant. More importantly, the house feels cleaner, and there is no sign of those annoying cockroaches anymore. And that's it. With just a few simple ingredients from your kitchen, you now have 2 easy methods that can help reduce cockroaches in your home without relying on harsh chemicals. Whether you use the flour mixture or the ginger spray, these small tricks can make your kitchen feel cleaner and more comfortable. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a like and share it with someone who might need it. And don't forget to subscribe to the Tracy Tips channel for more simple and practical household ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.